Sub-county nyanya, kaunti-ini ya Kajiado, riu nitanyitwo kugunika na mubango wa kugacirithia mitambo ya KIRIU kuri Aikari niguo kuhota kuhitana na thina wa UHAGUKU wa UGITIRI hamwe na gutharikirwo ni nyamu cia githaka. Mubango uyu uri uhotithitio ni thirikari rungu rwa Universal Service Fund ukite thutha wa Aikari gukorwo magiteta ni kwaga bata wa thimu kuona mitambo ndinyitaga miene ino.
When we have internet everywhere, the world will be open, security, information will be easy to pass in the shortest time possible, communication will be enhanced, and everybody will be happy because they'll get access to all the platforms which are there.
Afitha murugamiriri ministry-ini ya mokinyaniria na ICT Eric Kiraithe oigite riu thirikari ni kuhotithia Aikaria ya kwamukira motungata maria marabatara mitambo-ini ya KIRIU ta e-citizen.
A lot of public services have gone into e-commerce, such issues like application of a travel document, passports, driving licenses. You know that in education, a lot of services regarding the national examinations are also online, and medical services.
Kiraithe oigite mitambo ino ni kuhotithia Aikari muno makiria a Kajiado ya gatagati na Kajiado ya ithwiro kuhura riboti na ihenya riria matharikirwo ni nyamu cia githaka undu uria ukoretwo ukimathinia.
Sense of insecurity, it takes a little bit more time to react in areas where there's no connectivity.
Kiraithe ugite ministry no ni rethana na ito iri ikoretwo ikinyamaria Aikari na guthukangia raini cia gukinya mitambo ya thimu.
Citizens are also able to get the relevant agencies like KWS to respond and on a timely manner so that the damage is minimized. Whether it is a lion attacking cattle or it is an elephant trampling on crops, we don't need that conflict to continue when we are very well connected.
County Commissioner wa Kajiado Jude Songa oigite ni manyitanire na maafitha mitambo niguo kuhotithia mubango uyu gukinyanira.
Changamoto zozote za kiusalama because is a very peaceful area, but kukitokezea shida tunapata kutoka wale watu wetu kutoka village elders, assistant chiefs, but inaweza chukua muda mrefu kidogo sababu ya kutokuwa na hiyo connectivity. Giri Fotera, Kameme TV, Jetagwo Nyambura wa Kiruba.